again, right? Forgot to cut my hair. My hair very long already at home. Huh? So those are here. Welcome to the class. And they are so yeah. Hi WP11. Okay. So that's right. I need you all to know how to do question for today. Okay. Now the thing is, you all can hear me because I'm using this the mic, right? So earphone mic. So maybe you have to know, maybe you have to listen carefully because maybe you can't hear loudly. Let me know, okay? So today we continue on the different type of questions, especially you don't know how to solve those exam style question, especially the latest format, right? SPM, difficult, right? So please check it out. Some of the question today I want to discuss, right, to make sure that y'all can do on the spot, and then you can see how to easily get full marks for that. Okay, so and also today will be the second last lesson because next week will be the last lesson for your program. So please make sure that y'all don't ponting class and make sure y'all have to really appreciate the whole program sponsored by Sergey University, right? So the thing is now, all I can say is like, I will choose the question to test your knowledge on how to do those type of difficult question. Okay, so hold on, let me see. This is the paper. Okay, hi. Wow, Wei Bin. Oh, WP is Wei Bin. No wonder why you changed to WPI11. Okay. So everyone, you see this? So this question, yeah, linear law we discussed, and today I want to ask you on how to solve the question. This one. Okay, diagram 7 shows a plot of rectangular wall. This one you got cert, right? Square root, right? And the question, rational number. So I want you to look at this because this topic, indices and logarithm, right? This topic, because got new things, cert. Cert is a new thing for your information. So I expect this will come out in your exam. So please take note that you have to understand, given the length of the wall is 3 times the width, so that means 3 times of the width. And find the area of the length in this form. So this area, very simple. You take length times width. You can take the width times length also can. This is width, this is length. Okay, so that's how you do. And involve what? Involve the what class? Involve the third form. So your job is to know how are you going to solve. So I will make sure that I open the bracket for the 3 and 4, that one first. So I hope that you can do it easily without any problem. 3 times 4, 12. 3 times 7, 21. So your job is to expand. Step by step, you expand. Open quadratic like that, same thing. This one time this one, this one time this one. So it involves cert and it's new syllabus that you have this. Last time don't have this cert. So I want you to be aware how you multiply without any problem. Okay, this will be 48. This will be 84, cert 5. And this will be 84 sub 5 also, right? Double check, correct or not? And multiply. And this one, 7 times 21, you get 147. And sub 5 times sub 5 will become 5. Do you know that? So I know that some of you forgotten. Okay, now the question is 84 plus 84. It will be how many? 168. So 5. 147 times 5, it will be 735. So I need you all to do this question easily without any problem. Very good, okay. Yeah, so now number plus number, you get 783 plus 168 sub 5. Easy, right? Okay, so this is what you need to know how to solve the question without any problem. Done. Okay, next question. You need to see. I will choose like, for example, oh, this question, what is it? Uh, so, hold on. Hold on. What I'm doing? Vector. This is our question. Have we done this or not? All right. Hold on. I think I choose this question first. Oh, in school already. Okay, then I choose other question. This one. Okay, this question, PQRS is a parallelogram, okay, and T is a midpoint, right? So PQ equals to 2I plus 3J. You just label so that you can see better. That's the technique. TQ, they give you 3I minus J. So the thing is, find the value of vector PS and RQ. So to solve PS, okay, they told you this is the parallelogram. So parallelogram, I want to find the vector. Okay, you need to know how to link them, first of all. So I can find PT first, because PT and TQ and PQ can use this triangle to link them. Okay, you can relate them easily by seeing the direction. PT plus TQ is actually PQ. So to find PT is equals to PQ minus TQ. PQ is 2I plus 3J. TQ is 3I minus J. So your answer 2I minus 3I, negative I. Plus 3J plus J will be plus 4J. That's it. But I want PS lah. They already say this is midpoint. PT and PS, the relationship is PS is 2 times of PT. 2 times of negative I plus 4J. So negative 2I plus 8J. That's your answer. Okay. So the question asks you to find PS and RQ, right? How about RQ? Very good, Yi Cheng. How to find RQ? Ayo, ini buta bunta. RQ is actually parallel to PS, right? Direction change only, man. Negative PS, oh. So this is something, a warm up for you. It'll be 2I minus 8J. Okay? Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. Okay, continue. Randomly choose the question like, okay, the last week we learned integration quite a lot, right? Okay, the thing is, yeah, circular measure. Bagian B or bagian C. Factorial question. Oh, okay, factorial. Can. Factorial is the, you know, the question that involve permutation and combination, man. So I want you to see the question that involve permutation and combination. Okay. Yeah. So the question that got this one, where? This question set paper got or not? Don't have one. By right have no. Permutation and combination. This one. Okay, this question I want you to see carefully. Okay. Diagram shows three wooden sticks on which nails are placed with the condition that the nails are arranged in the line. Three wooden sticks. So the thing is, a piece of rope is tied to the nails of each stick to form a polygon. How many polygon shapes can be produced if a rope is fastened with at least two nails to each of the wooden sticks? Hence, state the shape of the polygon that can be produced. Oh, you see three wooden sticks, huh? The thing is, the nail arranged in a line. Then they say a piece of the rope is tied to the nails of each stick to form a polygon. So this is difficult question, You have to think, how many polygon shape means how many arrangement can be produced if a rope is fastened with at least two nails to each of the wooden stick. So I want you to look at this question, how to solve this so that y'all can go. Okay, hold on. I need to change place for a while because I'm actually in another place already today. So everyone look at this question. Try to see whether can you do or not. Can you please think of this question how to do? Very difficult, K-pop question. And this chapter, a lot of students they don't like because very hard to understand what they want, how they do if they come up K-pop question like this, problem solving. Okay, so try to see whether can you do it or not, so that I can help you later on. Those who have do it very good, okay, I want you to solve without any problem. Okay. So I want you to look at it now. Is it difficult or not for you? You read again, try to see this question difficult or not. Because if you don't know, that means you have to do more on this chapter because your friends say factorial question very difficult. Okay, can do. I saw the answer from no one. You think say cannot. Think, think. Those who can do, please do it now. Do it now. Because if you don't think now, later in exam you take longer time to think. Because I don't want you all to become robot. Just learn and then after that still cannot understand how to do it. They never think. They always depends on people's answer and how to score like that. You know, some question you really have to force yourself to think. Read the question and interpret correctly. Okay. So this question, if you solve it, then very good. Okay, let's discuss the answer. Seems like you all cannot think how to do, right? Okay, so for your information, this question, they need you to understand on how to relate them, especially got how many possible way, and is it combination or permutation? Combination, you see. Why? Because arrangement not important. You take this and plus this, then these two don't need to arrange also can, something like that, right? So first of all, to solve this, you want to form a polygon. If at least two nails, this is a thing I want to tell you, to each wooden stick, at least two nail, means this one and this one combine like that. Okay. If let's say at least two nails, confirm you can see it's a hexagon lah. This one confirm hexagon lah, right? Already very sangat jelas di sini. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lah. 6 side, right? Hexagon. The thing is, how many hexagon? How many hexagon can be formed? You can use these two, combine with these two. So you can get another hexagon. So my question is, what you should do is you need to know how to make the what is it called? Make the thing like combine become a hexagon, right? Okay. So I want you to see, is it possible or not? Okay. Now the thing is, what you see is like I have to tell you, involve got three, got three of these kayu, right? Okay. Each kayu got 4 nails, then here got 3 nails and 2 nails, right? Then you must do like that lah. 4, you choose 2 because every single kayu have to find 2 ma. So 3 C2. And then this one confirm must take lor, 2 C2. So in between multiply. Hey Aki, hello, hi, 是哦，很久没有见。Okay, hi, yeah, and so, okay, hello, hi. Okay. Wow. Today actually I'm in the charity dinner function. I'm very hardworking. Oh. I do a lot of things. That's the thing. So sorry. I have to change the place because they are having function. Okay. I'm in the restaurant, teaching your nowadays online class. Make me fly here, fly there. Okay. Hello, hello. Sorry, Ah, I have to change place because of the, what's that called? The function is having next door. Okay, so can you please look at the answer now, whereby you see 4C2, 3C2, and 2C2, right? You have to understand this is just one of the method. Okay, this is just one of the method. Still got any other method or not? You have to understand. Okay, still got who? I want to ask you because to form to form this, right? What do you think this question? Any more method you can see? Because the thing is like at least 2 nails. At least 2 nails. Can have 3 nails, right? Oh, so what do you think this question? Because of the keyword at least, I need to tell you that you have to be very careful. When you see at least, you have to understand it can be 3 also. So that's right. You have to plus another possible way. 4C3 can have at least 3 nails from this batang kayu times this one 3C2 times 2C2. Okay, The others I combine, I just put it 2 first lah. Still got 4C3. If let's say I take this 3, I take that 3, can or not? And then also 2C2, right? And then after that, 4C2, 3C3, and 2C2, and one more choice. Actually, 2 more choice. It will be 4C4. If I take all, take all. I take all, 4 of them. So, times 3C2, and then times 2C2. Okay? And then, can be 4C4 times 3C3 times 2C2. Because they say at least 2 nails, I can choose here total 3 of them, 2 of them, and 4 of them. Can, this is one of the choice. Okay? So the thing is, you have to state the shape, right? Actually, yeah, it can be hexagon, but if you see this one can be octagon and so on. So I need you all to be aware about this. Okay, so all together equals to total how many? 44. Okay, 44. Check, correct or not? Your answer? So now I want you to do the next question to see whether can you solve or not. How about this log question? So everyone do it now. Okay, can do or not? Can do the question? This question can solve or not? Hopefully, you can do it easily, yeah? Okay. So this question asks you to solve the following equation. This is good question whereby they give you x equals to a power p and y equals to a power q. Right? So what you can do is I need you all to make sure that you apply the law of log. Okay, they ask you to prove, right? They ask you to prove, right? To prove the basic product law. So question A, if you need to prove, so this question, very good, Yi Ching, well done. Okay, x equals to a power p. What you can do is you have to see carefully how to connect them. You have to change to the log, right? So change to log first. You have to know log base a number equals to index. Okay, and then y equals to a power q also change to log. You log base a, y equals to q. So the thing is, I need you all to understand how to prove log ASY, this one, equals to log x plus log y. So in this situation, should I show this way to combine them? Because you cannot use this method. I know you will have log x plus log y. Okay, log x plus log y then will be very cannot solve. What you can do is you have to link the p and q. So this is a good question whereby people don't know how to prove. So your friend said equals to p plus q, but they want you to prove equals to log x plus log y. So what I can say is try to link, equate them. You need to equate them. Make A as a subject. Or what? Class. So I want you to think again how to solve this question because you cannot like that. Log x, y, how? Who can say p plus q? Who say that? I don't know why is log x, y is p plus q. You cannot directly show like that because you have to understand the question asks you to prove. So I need you all to think again how to start. If you change to log already, then you will have problems. Or how you connect them. Or you want to make it the other way around. The other way around is log x plus log y equals to p plus q like that. And then how to prove to log x y? So that's the question. How do you prove? How do you prove? So you have to understand if you make p as a subject, or how you link the a and x. So I want you all to know this type of question. Take out log. Okay, take out log. How? If you take out log, how? Without the log. Or make a as a subject. The first step is it What do you do? Oh my god, your friend go and say factorize the log wall. Who teach you that? Log A factorize x plus y. No such thing. Cannot. So you all cannot simply do, this question. Because this question will test your understanding of how you prove the law. So how I start is, I will take x times y first. I'll take x times y. You cannot start with log xy first. Okay? You take x times y because I want to link this one first. So equals to a power of p times a power of q. This is the information you prepare. Okay, then I need you all to know how to do is replace the log later on. Okay, so you have to add the log both sides, base a. Add log base a both sides. This is the things a lot of students don't know. So you cannot think that, oh yeah, this question easy and then you don't know how to start, that's the thing. So add the log both sides. Okay. You see or not, step by step. So you are going to prove log A xy. And you can say in between is log plus log. Is it? No, you cannot directly, because you know why? All of you remember the formula log xy equals to log x plus log y, man. But the thing is, you have to know how to solve this question. No? You can combine the A, man. You see or not? You can combine the A, man. A times A power plus together. I want you to look carefully. You must follow this step in order to get the mark. Don't simply do, because your answer will be wrong. Although you can say, yeah, you prove already, but you prove wrongly because you thought you keep on using the law. The law cannot be used now. Log A equals to 1, no? Then you can prove already. Log xy equals to p plus q, means log x plus log y. That's it. Proven. So I want you to learn now to solve. Okay, and question B, they want you to solve. Solve this, right? So how to solve? I want to tell you that you don't simply go and use the index a power m divided by a power n equals to minus. Cannot. So you have to know how to do it. Okay, can or not? So this question, 1/4 is 2 power negative 1. Is it? So I need you all to look carefully to do this question. You can see carefully. You can factorize out the common. You can factorize out the common 2 power negative x and 1. So I want you to see this question. What is the thing that you can do? Okay. So you can factorize the 2 power negative x out, or what? Very good, Enki. This one, 2 power negative 2. because 1 over 4 is 1 over 2 square. If I factorize the negative x, you see? Oh, like that, huh? And this one is 2 power negative 2, lor. You factorize and see, can or not? And 2 power 4 minus 2 power 3 is what class? 2 power 4 minus 2 power 3. What is the answer? Can anyone tell me? What's the answer? And see whether can you solve or not. Hello, 2 power 4 minus 2 power 3. Y'all don't tell me don't know how. You got brain or no brain? Use calculator lah. Right? Everyone use calculator and tell me now, tell me now. Your friend say 8. Is it? Oh, hello. 64 minus 8 lah. 2 power 4 is 16 minus 8. Correct lah? 8. Then what else? What else? If let's say you put 2 power is 8, huh? You can do that. Wow, interesting, huh? It's 2 power 3. Multiply means plus. Then answer negative x plus 3 equals to negative 2. Negative x equals to negative 5. X equals to 5. That's your answer. You check, correct or not? Okay, double check. Do you see which step don't understand? A few methods can do that, but you make sure you all know how to tackle this sort of question. Okay, finish. Jotting down. No. Okay, finish. Can do next question. APGP. This is also good question to try. Okay, can you please do it now? Okay, I saw the answer. Huh, Yi Cheng said some of us are so confused. Huh? So this type of question, very good, you know. So it's to test you whether like how to prove, how to calculate all these things. So ready? Ready for this question, number 5? You can check. Anki done ready? Very good. So, given the arithmetic progression is AP, you just need to label. Derive the formula for the sum of the first term to the nth term. First term to the nth term. And then they give you already. So, ask you to derive means prove the formula. So, to do this question, I want you to start with this way because this is actually from 6 last time question, you know, when I was teaching from 6, like SPM maths. So this is their syllabus. Now they put it into from 5 latest. So I need you all to know how to solve. Okay. So I need you all to solve this now. So very simple. Okay. Which is you take Sn plus Sn. You start with this. Sn plus Sn, this method. Okay. They ask you to prove, right? So I need you to see carefully how to add up together and prove it. So this is the Sn given. And then after that, Sn equals to, okay, you reverse them how to write. This method very simple. You just reverse. Okay. You write in the different way. Ah. 好好好，可以，一下。So I want you all to rewrite again, the balik way, Then you add up together. Try this method and see can you do or not. Okay, you add up together, lor. Add up together. Same. Actually, they are shifting the place. So A plus this one, the first term plus first term. Ah, you need to learn how to prove. Second term plus second term, this one plus this one. Okay. So, and then the third term plus the third term. And then you continue lah, the dot, the last second term plus last second term. Can you see the pattern? Okay. A plus m minus 2d plus a plus d. And then the last term plus last term. So I want you to see the pattern. Okay. So I need you to see carefully how to do it. Okay. Can you see Sn plus Sn equals to how many Sn? 2Sn, right? 2Sn. So what I can say is you need to know how to do it easily without any problem. So I want you to be aware about this. You can see the pattern or not? A plus A, 2A. This one, A plus A, 2A. Betul. So can you see the pattern? So that means you see A plus A 2A, A plus A 2A, and then this one is N minus. Do you see the pattern? I want you to check the pattern. A plus A 2A. You see this thing, right? Keep on plus A 2A plus n minus 1d. You try to expand and see. All similar one, you see A plus A. You go and expand. Okay. Negative 2d plus 1d, so still got negative 1d. So everyone, you see the way how you prove. And then you can see 2Sn. You see how many of them? A lot of times, right? So n times the whole thing, 2a plus n minus 1d. Okay, and they ask you to prove Sn equals to, bring down the 2 law. That's right, the formula is derived from this way. Do you follow? So I'm giving you the hint, guide you step by step. Some of you don't know how to do this, right? So you have to rewrite reverse way. This is a form 6 thing. Okay, you have to know this is reverse way of writing lah. So you add up like, one by one like that. Okay, done. Okay. Hence, calculate the first 20 terms, means n20, to get this log k, log 10k. So those who have done, what's your answer? What's your answer for this? Log k, log 10k, log 100k. Anyone got the answer? Nobody give answer, so I'm not sure you're finished already or not. I only see Yi Chen give the answer. Very good, correct. He's right. So sum of the first 20 term. So means 20 over 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. Difference of how to find d? How to find the difference? Is AP or GP? AP ma they say, right? So to find the difference, second term minus the first term. You see or not? Substitute into the formula. This one log minus log. So wait, okay, your friend S derived wrong, huh? Can. No problem, can. Still can get mark. So this one, 19 log 10. So expand, no? 20 log k plus 190. Log 10 equals to 1. So that's the answer. Lor. Okay, check. Is that correct? This is good question, you know. SPM come out all this question. Okay, so every week you learn different thing. You must really know how to tackle it. Can derive some more of this one. Okay, jot down and we go to next question already. Okay, finish copying. Next question. Hmm. Coordinate geometry. This one easy. Please do it now. Okay, so far Ichen gave the answer already. Very good, well done. So can we discuss since someone already given the answer? Okay, find the coordinates of our. Okay, so how to do is they give you these questions, right? The QL equals to y equals to 3x, QL equals to y equals to 3x minus 8. They give you the equation, so they want you to solve the coordinates. To find the coordinates, you have to know to find the coordinates. You all can hear, right? Enki also got the answer. It's perpendicular, right? Perpendicular. So you have to find another line to solve simultaneous equation because it's the intersection point. Okay, so the gradient of PQ is equals to 3. Gradient of, this is RQ. So gradient of PL equals to negative 1 over 3. Okay, you need to find the gradient and find the point to solve the equation, right? So you see at point P, negative 1, 4, which is you have to understand y minus y1 equals to m x minus x1 to solve the question, right? So here you have to know when you solve it now. Expander, can we get the equation? So y equals to negative 1 over 3x minus this one plus 4. 4 11 over 3, correct or not? So your job is to solve simultaneous equation, right? You can either equate the 1 and 2. This is equation 2. This is equation 1. 3x minus 8 equals to this. Right now, you all need to know how to solve simultaneous equation. So your job is to bring the 1 over 3x, bring to the left hand side, and bring the 8 to the right hand side, right? So you see 3399 plus 1, 10 over 3x. And this one, 8 over 24, 24 plus 11, 35. So 10x equals to 35. X equals to 3.5. Correct or not? 3.5. Very good, Anki. So when x is 3.5, you have to find the y coordinate. Y equals to, you can either substitute into this equation or the equation, right? You have to solve easily. 3 times 3.5 minus 8. So y equals to 2.5. Okay? Easy, right? Okay. Then I want to solve area of triangle. So to solve area of triangle, even more easy because you got the coordinate out, which is 3.5, 2.5. And your job is to find area of the triangle PQS. So formula 1 over 2. Put it in. -1 4, 5 7, 3.5, 2.5, -1 4. Okay, 1 over 2. So you have to know how to multiply. And then minus this way. 5 times 4 plus 3.5 times 7, and then plus -1 times 2.5. Okay, so remember at the end is modulus. And what's the answer? I only see all of you 11.25 square unit. Okay, so that means that's the answer. Okay, good. Okay, so that's the question. Any answer? Any problem for this question? For this question? So what do you think? Is it easy to do it now? So that's why I think it is very important to solve using this method. Okay, so for today, I think I will just end here because yeah, I have to yeah, because I need to tell you all because next week will be the last lesson for this program. Okay, also need to thanks to Segi College, our university, that really sponsor the whole 3 months program. So you got another one more lesson to go. Hopefully, maybe your friend raised the chapter about permutation and combination, right? The two chapter very difficult, right? So I'll do that question with you all. Okay. So I think I will stop here. So thank you so much. Okay. So I'll see you again. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care, everyone. Bye. Bye. Okay. See you. Bye. Take care. Welcome. Welcome, Yi Chen. Welcome, Enki.